Hi, first graders. Welcome to another week of learning. This week, we are actually moving away from skills 3 and moving into skills 4. You should have this workbook at home. If you don't, please let me know. But from now on, our lessons are going to be coming from this book. The sound that we're going to learn today is like in the word her. Now this video is mostly a listening video, so watch my mouth and listen carefully. Say the sounds at home after you hear me say them. So the sound is like her. Say it again. Now I want you to repeat the words that have the sound at the beginning of the word. Earth, early, earn, urgent. Good. Now I want you to repeat these words that have the sound in the middle. Burn, fern, clerk, lurk, circus. Good job. Finally, I want you to repeat these words that have the sound at the end of the word. Her, sister, brother, cover, later. Good. So now I want you to keep listening. I'm going to say some riddles. Your job is to guess the word that is the answer to the riddles. I'm going to give you a hint. The answer to the riddles are words that have the sound. We ready? This is the color of some grapes, and also the color that you get when you mix red and blue. Did you guess purple? Good job. Okay, next one. This is a kind of animal that has wings. That's right, it's a bird. Good job. This is a person who helps a doctor. If you said nurse, you're correct. Finally, some people have straight hair while others have curls. Good job. So this is what the sound looks like when we use letters. Writing words, you're not going to write these slants, but if you're trying to write just the sound, you put the sound in between these lines to signal that it's the sound that you're talking about. So this sound, spelled with an E and with an R. This is what we call an R-controlled vowel. The reason is the R is kind of bossing this E around, this vowel. It's kind of bossing the E. Let me show you. Usually, if we see a word like hem, we would know that the E makes the short vowel sound eh. But if that E is next to an R, the R is bossing the E around and making it say the R sound, or in this case, So instead of hair, this word is her. and you don't really hear the vowel sound as much as you hear the R. So that's why we call it an R controlled vowel. So some other words that have the sound, verb. Do you guys know that word? Of course you do. We studied verbs last week. Verb is an R controlled vowel sound. Can you think of any other words that have the sound? By the end of this week, you guys are going to be experts at the sound.